Call a nearby friend or safely ask someone passing by for help. If you don't have jumper cables, make sure the person helping you does. Position the vehicles so the jumper cables reach between the batteries. A couple of quick warnings. Don't jump a damaged battery and don't let the metal of the positive and negative clamps touch. With both vehicles off, connect the cables in this order. Clip one red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Clip the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the booster battery. Clip a black clamp to the negative terminal of the booster battery. Clip the other black clamp to a piece of bare metal on the dead car. Start the booster vehicle and let it idle for several minutes. Try starting the dead car. If it clicks when you turn the key, it's not fully charged, even if the lights and radio turn on. Once your car's running, leave it on and remove the clamps in the opposite order. Black clamp from the bare metal, black clamp from the booster, red clamp from the booster, and red clamp from the dead battery. Dry for at least 15 minutes to fully charge the battery.